everybody, today we're going to make tomato sauce, and the first step is 2 tins of peeled tomato and 400 grams each, so basically in total 800 grams, just like I did over here. Next step, you have to get extra virgin olive oil if you can, and you have to just put the right amount to cover the bottom of the pan. Now I have put the pan on top of the fire. And then you have to get these onions cut into little pieces, kind of this big, this size, and then you have to pour them in. And you can put even garlic if you want and if you like it. Now you fry the onions for a couple of minutes until the color becomes golden. Now that the onions are not white anymore and they have become golden, you can put the tomato sauce in, and you have to pour some water in too. And now we have to mix it. And it will become like this. Now that I have mashed the tomato, you can put a bit of salt just like this. And then you mix it, just a tiny bit. And then you put the lid on top and you leave it to cook for 20 minutes. If you want, at the end, you can add some dried basil or some fresh basil. We have finally finished the tomato sauce. I really hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, and I really thank you all for watching. Thank you, bye!